How to find last watched video on YouTube. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Once you will open the app, you have to make sure that you are logged into the account in which you watched the video. Right now, as you can see that I am right now logged in with my channel account. Now if I want to see my watch history, or if I want to find out the last video which I watched on YouTube, I just need to click the library which is on the bottom right icon, and from here, while you can see these videos on the top, but you can click this history and you will get a complete list of the watch history on your YouTube. And from here, as I can find out the last video which I watched on the YouTube, and I can also remove any particular video from my watch history by just clicking this 3 vertical dots and then selecting the remove from watch history. So that's how you can find out the last watch video on your YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.